If you still think of Gong as a call recorder and an AI note taker, prepare to have your mind quickly evolved. So, leveraging Gong's AI builder, and where you can find it is in these nine dots up here, this create content with AI. This is where you can leverage the Gong data set. So, all of your calls, your emails, your web meetings, other CRM inputs, and you can create any content based on your actual conversation. So this is truly limitless. My favorite use case that I've been leveraging for is building business cases for my customers in a really concise format based off what's actually been discussed in real quotes by them. So just as an example, I had a customer the other day that said, "Hey, we're going to bring this forward. We just need to be able to preliminarily speak to it. And we're going to bring forward just like a quick two-pager business case. Can you turn this around for me today?" My answer was, yes, I can. And here's how I'm going to do it. What I did is I came into AI Builder. And the most important part of it is to filter down by your sources. So it's be able to create it off of the correct data set. So I came in here to this calls tab. And then what I did is I filtered by that account in particular. So we'll use Credax as an example here. And now it's just those 7 calls. If there's any existing or old ones too, you can also filter and use like a date function. So you can always hit add filter here. You could search for date and you can say, hey, only in 2025 and beyond or anything else. Hit this save button down here. Then afterwards, you just type in your prompt, right? So for me, it was, hey, create a 2-page business case, that highlights their challenges, why change, why Gong, and ROI metrics. And then you hit this go icon, and now Gong will run off of that data set you highlighted. I'll show you what the end output looks like. So within AI Builder here, and you can have a running kind of conversation on the left here if you need any edits, any changes. Here's the business case it gave me. It broke out their priorities, their current problem today, why change, and their exact verbiage and the exact amounts that they'd shared with me, which was insanely helpful. And then why Gong in particular, right? This could be much more comprehensive if you give it a much more comprehensive prompt. Think of it as a Claude or Chat GPT, but the biggest difference is you won't have to export a couple transcripts. You can run it off your entire data set of what's happened over the life cycle of that deal or that specific account with all the same output capabilities here within Gong. So this gave me a great working copy. I copied this, I pushed it into a Google Doc. Instead of being the composer, I turned it into the editor. It took me about 15, 20 minutes to read through this. I trimmed it down to the most important areas, cleaned up some of the formatting, and shipped it out. This in the past would have taken me many, many hours and had a worse overall output.